What's going on, guys? It's Aaron. Sorry for the crappy camera work and whatnot. Just want to give you guys a quick little video on if you have one of these grab handles for a 2011 through 2018 JK that broke. My mom had this little clip here breaking her old one. I can show you for reference actually. So you see that's cleanly snapped off. This side it's like that. There. But $120 new from the dealership or through a Mopar parts dealer. The finish isn't 100% the same. This is more silver, this is more gray, but $20 versus 120 for just one, or $20 for a pair. Can't beat that. They don't come with the bolts in, unlike the factory ones. They do, if you guys can see, they are threaded, so you just take the standard bolt that comes in and it threads in just fine. You know, it threads in just fine. The factory one, it is a 6mm hex. I'm sorry, I lied. It is a 8mm hex for the factory handle bolt. But if you get the cheaper one like I have on Amazon, if you guys can see, it is not threaded in there. So my little hack, very simple. Nothing too crazy, just gotta be a little careful with this method, obviously. You're gonna take a blowtorch, and I'm just gonna heat up this bolt for 15 seconds or so. Get it nice and hot, not too hot, but pretty decent amount. And that should be plenty. Now you're going to be kind of limited in time, so you want to take this, just thread it in gently by hand, try to get it as straight as possible. And this is going in smooth and perfect. So you're just going to thread that in, because you're pretty much melting the plastic and making your own threads. And if you want to take a ratchet, clip that on there. Just be very, very gentle threading this in. And do it just about flush. Maybe a little bit more than flush. You guys can see it's a little bit more than flush. It's not perfectly straight in the hole, but you guys can see it's in the back there now. It's in the back there now. It looks pretty good. So that's that. Looks pretty decent. Like I said, this is the color difference. You know, it's a little, this is the opposite side, but you can see we're at the correct side. They're pretty much identical shape, identical parts. Camera's struggling to focus on this. It's focusing on the corner of my speaker because I have a really funny camera setup going on here. But yeah, see, this is more gray, like a gunmetal gray. This is more of a silver, but she has a silver Jeep. It's not going to match the air vents or the grab bar trim piece. But like I said, $120 for a genuine Mopar part for one side versus $20 for Amazon special both sides. So can't beat that. Like I said, it's a little quick video on how to thread these bolts in to the new grab handle, interior door grab handle replacement. So yeah, hope you all have enjoyed. Like I said, random video, but figured some of you guys might be like, oh, how do I get this thread in? That's a simple, easy fix. Like I said, you don't even need something like this. You don't need a propane blowtorch. You can use just a simple, ordinary cigarette lighter, candle lighter, whatever you want to use. Just got to take a little bit longer. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be making more Jeep videos soon. But leave a like if you enjoyed and if you found this helpful.